Number 5, hydrogen can potentially induce cancer cell death. So what's better than stopping cancer from growing? Actually killing the cancer cells that are already there. Before we start, a little vocabulary lesson. Apoptosis is a term referring to cell death. You'll be seeing that word often in this topic, and I want you to know what it means. So here we go with this study that says it was confirmed that H2 has an effect of inducing and enhancing cancer cell apoptosis. The data here suggests that hydrogen water was able to produce apoptosis and enhance anti-cancer activity. And here we see that H2 was able to induce apoptosis in human leukemia cells. It's also interesting that we see that in this study, hydrogen water was able to reduce neuron apoptosis. And here it decreased apoptosis in the kidney. So let me get this straight. H2 enhanced cancer cell death, but reduced healthy cell death? Well, according to this study, H2 can exert cytotoxic effects to tumor cells differentially over normal cells. Another way H2 can aid in cancer cell death process is by something called telomeres. Telomeres are essentially the end caps of DNA that help to protect them and allow them to do their job. Here it talks about how short the telomeres can eventually lead to cell death. Likewise, tumor cells with stronger or weaker telomeres can be killed easier than cells with stronger telomeres. Most cancer cells have high telomerase activity, with no telomere shortening, which guarantees the immortality of the cells. However, hydrogen water was found to actually cause telomere shortening in cancer cells in this study. Okay, one last thing about killing cancer cells. This is a rare study that was done in 1975 and used hyperbaric hydrogen on mice with skin tumors. Here it says, after a first 10-day period to exposure of the mice to 97% hydrogen therapy, it was found that the tumors had turned black, that some have dropped off, that some seemed to have shrunk at their base and was in the process of being pinched off, and that the mice appeared to suffer no damaging consequences. The study goes on to say that the same mice were kept for a second period of a 6-day treatment and continual remission of the multiple squamous cell carcinoma was observed. The study concludes the possibility that hyperbaric hydrogen therapy might also prove to be of significance to treatments of other types of cancer.